Callie. Hey, baby. Hi, everyone. I decided today to come out here in my pole barn, or my ceramic studio, whatever you want to call it, and get some things organized. So today has really been maybe the second day that it's been warm enough to even work outside, but I had things yesterday to do, so I couldn't do it. So I'm coming out today to get some of these boxes organized, get at least organized from the bisque and the greenware. So I have both. So I've been putting things up on the Etsy store this winter, and what I do is I come out here, I grab me a couple boxes, go through it in the house, and I've been running into greenware, and I'm like, oh no, because at the moment that's a waste of my time, because I'm not going to sell greenware on the Etsy store. I just want to sell the bisque. So anyway, I'm organizing this stuff, and you can see that I'm just starting to knock stuff out. If you see my other studio tour, you can tell I haven't gotten too far. The reason it's taken me so long, part of the reason is my spouse has small cell lung cancer. So last year, after we bought the shop, literally the day after I paid for it, we got it. My spouse got a diagnosis for the cancer. Anyway, so I couldn't do anything between the treatments and stuff. So now I'm finally getting a chance to come out here, and I'm getting this organized. I got all these boxes here I haven't even touched yet. I've only gotten to those 2 or 3 skids there. Anyway, like I said, I just wanted to give a really short tour, just to give you an update, say hi to everybody. I haven't forgotten about my channel. I've got some plans for my channel. I've got some painting projects that I'm going to post for y'all, but I just thought I would post this really quick video for you. Talk to you later.